Okay, hello, namaskar. Very good evening. How are you guys? My name is Hemant Modi. I am a financial analyst of Olymp Trade broker. Now, here I am. Welcome, all of you. A warm welcome to our channel Olymp Trade. My name is Hemant Modi. So, as you already know that we are providing time to time some kind of beneficial things to you. So, it's going to be helpful for you always. So, this is the trading which is helping you to upgrade your trading style, getting some profitability over there, and you can getting some better results as well from here. So today we are going to discuss about the strategy, not wasting the time. So if you have any questions, any doubts, anything, please let me know. And also request you, please, if you have any questions, any confusions, any doubts, please let me know in the feedback channel. So you can send your comments over there, and anything if you have, then please let me know and I'll give you the answer just after the meeting. So as I see right now, okay, just give me a minute please. Well. So today we are going to discuss about one strategy. Strategy name is Jactar. We will going to discuss how to open the trades with the strategy, what is the basics of the strategy, and some other things like money management and all things. All right. So to open the trade by using the strategy, what we need to do, you can check it over here. We need to go to here on the technical analysis. Again, I am repeating, this is the option of technical analysis. You need to click it over there. Then there is the option of strategies. We need to go to the strategy section. Whenever you are having the status, you will get the strategies according to that status. That means if you are having an expert status, then you will get a chance to see all the strategies which is belongs to the expert status, means 23 strategies. And if you become an advanced status holder, then you will have a chance to get 7 strategies, and 8 starter strategies, means total number of strategies is 15. But if you have only that starter status, then you will have a chance to get only strategies of starter level. So today we are going to discuss about the strategy called Jactar. Here is the Jactar strategy. Once we click to the Jactar, you can see it. There is a small window of a YouTube channel that can be helpful for you to know for shorter video, actually not going to be more than 2 minutes or 2.5. Then there is a small window, the small messages which is belongs to the basics of the strategy and components of the strategy. We need to enable the strategy. When I enable the strategy is going to set on my account like this. So the strategy based on the 3 SMA, basically it's called a simple moving average. Simple moving average is there. So we just need to understand how to work with this strategy, and I will going to open the trades in front of you guys. My humble request to all of you, please do not open the trade or copy the trade from here. First of all, you need to understand the way of the strategy. And also one more thing, copy trading is maybe going to be dangerous for you, because right now I'm using the strategy and I'm providing this strategy via webinar. So this is a live broadcasting, but it's always having a delay of around nearby 1 minute. So in that case, maybe you open the trade by using this strategy, and as per watching my tradings, but you will get some different type of results. So please don't do this. And also trading is a very risky thing. Well. So again, welcome to all of you. Let's start the strategy, how to work with that strategy, what is the basics of the strategy, etc. Name of the strategy, Jactar. A very nice and simple strategy. This strategy basically consists with the 3 simple moving averages, SMA. Short name SMA, full name is simple moving averages, with the classic period of 50, which is blue, 100, which is green, 200, which is red. And these basically levels are playing the dynamic role, basically the role of the dynamic changing levels of support and resistance. What is the support of resistance? Maybe some people of you joined the last conversation, last webinar, and I provided you when we saw the one candle is stopping the other candle, it's going to be 2-3 times even the time zone. So that is called the level of support and resistance from upper hand and down hand. All right, the SMA with this period like 50, 100 and 200 are used by the huge number of traders around the world and allow you to accurately determine the reversals. I repeat, reversals, because this strategy can provide you some kind of trend situation as well as the reversal situation. So what you need to do, you need to understand that what we are doing and where we should do. Till that time, okay, I will also going to open some trade. Till that time, what we will do, we will wait for something and check, and we will discuss for sure. Okay, so SMA, simple moving average. What is the simple moving average? SMA is the technical indicator for determining if the asset price is will go to continue reverse, means back from up to down or down to up, or bull and bear. What is the bull and bear? Bull means upper trend, bear means downtrend situation. So either the trend is going up or either the trend is going down. From where, how can check and buy using this strategy? So this is the way. I opened the trade. One trade, if you check, I opened the trade here and I got a profitability. Why I opened the trade here also? Because if you remember, I told you we need to always focus with the reversals, especially. SMA can be used as a standalone tool, or you can combine with the other indicators as well. How to know the trend is going up or trend is going down? So choose any asset, whatever you like, anything, whatever you like, just choose the asset and you can check how the things are working over here. So there is 3 levels. Let me make it the graph time of 10 minutes so it can be easy and helpful for you. Whenever we go to check this out, once you see the candles, I repeat, the candles are crossing the SMA line, doesn't matter any, I mean green, red, whatever. Whenever we see the indicator is coming below the SMA, or sorry, the candlestick just coming below the SMA, or candlestick crosses the SMA lines from up to down, that is a symbol for a downtrend. Whenever we see the candles are crossing, okay, check this out also, the candles are crossing the SMA line from down to up and it's trending over the candlesticks, that is also a symbol of upper trend. Means we can say that trend is going up. However, there is a portion of the reversal. How to know the reversal situation over here? Whenever you see the candle just touch the line and not going to close under the line or above the line and just going opposite side or opposite direction from touching the level, that is called the reversal pattern. It's a very easy strategy, seriously guys, but remember one thing, this strategy is not working so well if you can open the trade by using the 1 minute time frame or lower 5 seconds or something like that, because this is basically working with the providing you the better results in the high market time frame. Higher time frame is always good for to open the trade by using this strategy, because you didn't know when you need to open the trade, I will tell you. If you don't know from where you will get the reversal pattern, I will tell you for sure. The important thing is that whenever you are going to open the trade, you need to understand one thing. The trading is always risky and you will not able to get 100% profitability whenever you are going to open the trade. So just take it seriously. Now, one more important thing I would like to share with you guys. As much gap you found in all 3 lines, as better signal you will get. And trust me, this has happened. As better signal you are getting, means if you can see it, whenever the lines are too close, too much close, there is no signal. The trend is actually going very much dicey. Whenever the lines, because obviously, what is the reason behind of crossing of the line from up to down or down to up? The reason behind to crossing the line from up to down or down to up, whenever we see the red line coming just on the top, of both line. If the red line is coming on the top of the both line, that means there will be a chances that trend is going down. Even most of the time this has happened, the trend is coming down. And once the red line is going down and crosses the all three lines and coming on the downs, absolutely down, and all both lines, I mean green and blue, if these lines are going up, then you can see the trend is going up. So very important line here is the red line. How to open the trade, where to open the trade, let's discuss over here. So if you can choose the graph time, see, usually we recommended graph time for open the trades by any strategy, we usually provided the 1 minute time frame, but this strategy is a little bit different. So you need to put the graph time of 5 minutes and then just understand how to open the trade. I will going to open the trade with the 1 minute time frame. Okay guys, so but what you need to do, either if you are going to open the trade in forex, that will be nice, or if you are going to open the trade in fixed time trade, so you can open the trade with minimum 5 minute time frame of graph time. Now how to open the trade, you need to find a signal. To finding a signal, what you need to do, go to the assets and timely check the asset. Right now the problem is that after 15 minutes the American market is going to start, and also there is some data will become in the market after 32 minutes, S&P Global Service PMI data. So this is the moment when I can say the maximum time the market is become very volatile, and especially I suggest you, please do not open the trade whenever you see the market is too much volatile or anything like that. You saw the candles are green, red, or too much high, too much low, and too much fluctuations in the market. I kindly request you, please don't open the trade in that scenario. So here what we see, the lines, how to open the trade now with the lines of in this situation. Okay, as you already saw that I open a trade for a downtrend. So number one situation, right now as we can see that there is not too much gap in between green and red candle, means SMA 50 and SMA 100. So whenever you saw the candle is going down, let's discuss about the downtrend situation. Whenever you see the candle is going down and the candle closing big and candle is closed below the line, and there is a difference in between both candles, can be the formation of the two candle, means the two candle can easily form here. Then this is the next candle, this one, when you see my cursor is, this is the candle which is the candle for open the trading. This is a candle which is actually the candle of opening the trade. So once we open the trade, we can open the trade for 2 to 3 times higher than our graph time. And another option, if the candle cross the green line suppose or red line, so important thing is the previous candle should be close below the line. You can see it, even I am using my cursor over here, the candle is closed here, and what I did, I opened the trade. As soon as the candle start, you need to open the trade. That is called the entry point situation. What is the meaning of entry point, guys? If you put the graph time of 1 minute or if you put the graph time of 5 minutes, doesn't matter. The condition is, if you put the graph time of 1 minute, then you should enter in the trade in first 20 seconds. Meaning the first 20 seconds means the duration of trade is going to be, see, my trade is positive. The duration of trade is going to be 60 seconds, and your trading should be start in first 10 or maximum 20 seconds. If 20 seconds pass, then do not open the trade. So this is a way to open the trade for a downtrend. Let's check some other signals and we will discuss about the trading for maybe some upper trend or reversal pattern. Water skills gaming, yeah sir, I received your comment, definitely will give you the reply. I kindly request you, please stay with me and let me finish the topic of the Jactar strategy, and then we will definitely discuss about your message. Thank you so much for your patience. So for opening a trade, for getting a profitable trade, do not bounded yourself to only some particular assets. No need. Do not bound it yourself. You always need to, what you need to do, you always need to go and check assets, because you didn't know when you are having some profitability. Guys, if you see, I mean, you already aware about the condition and the signal, from where you get the signal and how to open the trade. If you saw somewhere, if you see any of the asset which is providing us a signal, then kindly let me know in the comment box. I'll open the trade and I'll show you. See, this kind of the candle I'm talking about. Previous candle, check this one, very unvolatile, high volatile candle, and the movement of candle either very slow or either is suddenly moving too much up and down. See, either the candle is very slow and either the candle is going very up or very down. So basically what we need to do, we just need to do the situation like, okay, we just wait for the candle, and as per the previous two candles, I'm not sure that this trend is going down, because that is called the dicey candle. However, I can open the trade according to the situation. Now what happened, I opened the trade and candle is not moving, absolutely not moving till 10 seconds, and after that the candle moves too much. This is what I'm just trying to tell you. In case of this condition, if you saw on any asset, please do not open the trade, because strategy is not the guarantee of success, guys. Strategy can help you to understand the signal, where to open the trade, how to open the trade, but if the formations of the candle is not working with the strategy, doesn't matter if you are using the Jactar, Rodeo, Friday, whatever the strategy, but if you are not, if the candlestick formation is not working with the properly at the moment, then the strategies also maybe not work properly. So that is not, it's not a fault of the strategy, it's not a fault of the candles, it's a fault of the market, because high market activity period can provide you the better signal. Okay, so let's move the next, some more assets where we are getting some signal. Okay, so here what we saw, the candles are up, and here we have the moving candles of down. Okay, let me open some trade and we will see either the trade is going to positive or not. So first of all, what you need to do, go to this, after any profitability, click here, click to the 80% profitability. Why? Because you shouldn't open the trade which is going to be open showing you the below 80% profitability of any asset. You should only work with the minimum 80% profitability, minimum. Now this is actually the time of the data as well as the American market. So as you can see, the reversal pattern, this is the reversal pattern, guys. Check this one. Slowly candles are coming up. So this candle is showing some force, but it's even not going above the SMA 50. The second candle is also doing the same, but it's also not going above the SMA 50 and close below the line. So this is the perfect example to open the trade for a downtrend in the reversal pattern. Let's check it. Some assets, yep, we are having some signals maybe, or we are having a reversal point. So here we will open the trade, but we need to wait for this candle, because the patience is the success of your key of your success, guys. You need to wait. You need to wait for that, because if we are going to open the trade here, we didn't have any signal, we didn't know that this trend is going up or might be it will go down. So in that situation we need to wait. And you know, candles is always showing this condition. How? Candle is always showing the condition. The candle is going down, and suddenly the candle is going a little bit up. But if it is going up and close above the line, that it can be a risky situation for a reversal pattern. So you need to open the trade on downtrend. All right. We open the trade and we will check it out after the results. GBP JP buy. See, this is a complete and perfect example of the reversals. Time to time it's coming to the downside till SMA 50. Then what happened? The candles are not too much strong, it's going up. Second time, third time, and this is the fourth time happened. But the important thing is, this is not going even above this chart on this area. So that is called the bounded situation. But there is a possibilities to open the trade only when you see the candle coming to near to the line, doesn't matter SMA 50, SMA 100, and you can open the trade. For example, if we can open the trade right now. So first of all, what is my mistake here? My mistake is that I opened the trade after almost 12 seconds, because the entry point should be here when this candle is just open, and now the condition is mine is like I'm in the middle of the candle. So it's very easy to reach the candle coming down to the my entry point at the moment. Okay, so here what we see, this is the level which is right now we have, and this candle should close above the line. True, break even, because this candle and that candle, they both are in the similar level. So right now the candle which is I just used to open the trade, this should be close above this level, then we can say the trend is going even more up. But understand one more thing, entry point again. Here I open the trade, I opened the trade almost I think 12 seconds after the candle. That means my candle is going to close even 12 seconds after the second candle. That is going to be risky, first of all. Secondary, I am just here. So, and now the candle is coming down. So it's very easy to reach that opening price of mine instead of the down part of the green candle. I opened some trades in front of you guys, and I had a profitability as well. And let's see the result of this candle, then we will discuss further. So 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now you see the candle is coming below. If I could open the trade on proper time, the candle could be closed, and my trade is, I already took the profitability on that time, and I'm sitting just like that. But now my candle is, now trade is closed, and I'm become a profitable trader with this trade. So remember the entry point and the way where we can see the situation. All right. So this is how you need to open the trade. If you have any questions, please let me know and send details to me. Please comment any questions, any problem, any issues you have, please let me know. And I will going to discuss definitely to you. Okay, so no question, then in that case, hello. Some practical advices. And what is that? Some practical advices. A high market activity period means a better signal. Now what is the high market activity period? Whenever we see the trend is going properly up, properly down, and we can easily open the trade, and we can just check the things and able to open the trade over there. That is called the high market activity period. What is the low market activity period? Whenever we saw always like the trend is not moving too much. I open the trade here, but check the candle. It's just reaching and staying with this part of the 50. Why? Because at 7, as I mentioned you, there is a data will become at 7:15, and at 7 the US market is going to be open. So always whenever the big market is open, we saw some kind of laziness in the market is not showing too much results and all things. The candles are not moving too much, the candle are just keeping and staying on the same place, or either the candle is green and red. The candle is green and red. So high market activity period is always basically a proper time to open the trade. The low market activity period, whenever you see, try to not open the trade and try to change the asset immediately, please. And if you can see in every asset the same situation happened, then no need to open the trade every time, guys. We need to just give us some break from the trading as well. If you see that, because importantly we need to understand where we should open the trade and where we shouldn't. This is very important. Here we have the signal, here we got the signals like okay, properly it's coming down, coming up, and we could open the trade over properly. So whenever you open the trade, please always open your eyes and always open your mind as well, guys. This is very important thing, because I want you to learn. If you are going to learn properly, then there is a chance to earn the money as well. Okay, the most active time frame is as per Indian Standard Time, afternoon 12:30 to evening 10:30. Afternoon 12:30 to evening 10:30. As per global time, UTC 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. UTC plus 3. Okay, always try to avoid trading during the news releases of any important economic news. Always select your asset with the high profitability of which is minimum 80%, from 80% to maximum 90-93, whatever you have. This is strategy working very much fine if you are choosing the martingale system. Now what is martingale system? Martingale system is the system when you open the trade by using the martingale, then you will get the chance to recover your amount and recover your losses and getting some profitability. So let's assume that you have $1,000 in your account. So if you have, this is the risk management situation, guys. If you have $1,000 in your account, then what you need to do, you need to start your trading with the 1% of the $1,000. Now what is the amount of 1% of $1,000 is $10, obviously. So you need to start your trade with the $10. If your $10 trade is going positive, then continue trade with the $10. No need to increase the amount like 11, 12, 40, nothing. Just continue trade with the $10 till you are not getting an unsuccessful trade. In case if you are getting an unsuccessful trade, then just make the amount double. Just make your amount double. Means you need to open the trade with the $20. If your $20 trade is going positive, then you have a chance to recover the amount. And also getting a chance to have some profitability. Okay. In case if you are having two unsuccessful trade, $10 and $20. So rule number 1, always remember that if you have two unsuccessful trade on the same asset, same time frame, then you need to change your time frame. First of all, asset, you need to change your asset, you need to change your time frame, and if you want, you can change the strategy as well and open the next trade with the $40. So first is 10, second is 20, third is 40. In that case, if your third trade is going positive, then what you need to do, you will have a chance to get the recovery of last two trades, and also you are having a chance of profitability as well. Now let's assume that third trade is also going negative. Yeah, this is market, it can be happen. No need to be in panic situation. Just check the assets. If you are sure that that asset is good and you can able to take a one more chance, then open the trade one more time. And the last trade is that fourth trade, because the third trade we opened with the 40, so the next trade is going to be 80 to $100. Now understand, you started with the $10, that is a 1% amount, and your fourth trade is coming with the 100. Sorry, your first trade is with the $10 1% amount, and your fourth trade is $100, and that is a 10%. So we are not taking too much risk, and most of you guys, I can bet on it that not too much time. I don't think so that most of the times you are having this same issue like you are having a 4, 5, 6 constantly trading. If you have, then trust me, there is two reasons only. Reason number one and most important reason is that you are doing the same mistakes which you are doing before already. Reason number two, every time only you are not the person who is just having a, or who can do the mistakes. Market is also going bad or not good sometime. So in that case, take a small break, come after some time and start your trade again with the $10. Why 4 trades situation is here? The 4 trade situation is here just because this is a psychological condition. This is a psychological condition. In the psychological condition, whenever we have a 4 successful trade or whenever we have a 4 unsuccessful trade, we always feel like with the emotions and we are wanted to do something extra. If we are getting money after 4 trades, we believe, yaar boss, today I am the invincible person, let's have it more and more and more and more. And what we are doing, we are taking unnecessary risk and we increase the amount. We are increasing the amount and then suddenly what happened, we are getting some unsuccessful trade. And to recover that amount of unsuccessful trade, we are again just putting more amount on more amount. Then what happened? We didn't recover the amount and suddenly the situation is coming like that. I want to recover my whole amount today as well, right now. So in that situation, please take a small break, come back after some time and open the trade. One more thing guys, I would like to discuss with you. The condition is where we shouldn't open the trade. Let me have a sip of water, please. Most of us didn't know what is the condition and what is the trend. We are just open the trade according to our perception. No, let me show you something. Let me remove this strategy from here. Okay, and here. Now understand one thing. There is a 3 type of major trend. One trend when we saw that asset price going down to up, suddenly going down to up. Okay. The second thing is when we see the asset price going up to down. So up to down situation is calling the downtrend situation. Sorry, down to up and down to up going to be downtrend situation, and up from here we see it's going up. Maybe I'm making you confuse in the word. Whenever a asset price constantly going up, that is called an upper trend, and whenever the asset price constantly going down, that is called a downtrend. There is a one more trend which is we call the sideways trend. When we see the trend is bounded somewhere, but there is a chance to open the trade like this, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That is also a fine situation to open the trade. But where we shouldn't open the trade, check this out. There was a trend which is coming properly up until that moment. This kind of trend start. What is this kind of trend? That is called trend of uncertainty. And I am sure and I believe that most of you having an unsuccessful trade on this kind of trend. Most of you. So please do not open the trade on this kind of trend. If you can see every asset, if you are facing the same issue, please stop your trading for some time. Take a small break. Drink whatever you like, coffee, tea, cold coffee, lemon soda, virgin mojito, or whatever you like, but don't open the trade. So this is it for the topic of strategy. And remember one thing, whenever you are doing trading, guys, understand one thing. We are here because we download this Olymp Trade application because we want to get some money. And it's not like, okay, many people's like you, me, we are having some monthly earnings according to our profession. Some people are salaried, some people are doing business, some people are professionals, so they are having. So we are here to get some pocket money, some 20-30%, and we easily get it. But what happened actually, as whenever we check the situation, we saw that we are getting the money. So in that situation, what we think, yeah, let's make it more. So that greed is coming, because we feel and we thought like this is a very early money situation. We can easily and early get money from here. Please understand one thing, and just because of that, we are not taking withdrawals. Always remember that whenever you are having a profit, just take withdrawals from your account, because you need to free your money, which is you put it from your own pocket. That should be free. If you put it $100 and if you are getting 20% profit, let's withdraw it. So now the balance is still 100, but the money which is going from your pocket, that is 80 only, $80. $20 is the profitable amount. Okay. So you need to make free your $100. Then you have a $100 balance which is your profitability. Now you can take some extra risk. Like, okay, before you are just taking a withdrawal with the 20%, now just go with the 40, take 20% withdrawal and keep 20% there. So your balance of account is also growing, and also you will get some profitability in your pocket as well. This is the best way to open the trade. And please treat this very seriously. Just like your study, just like your family, just like your profession, business, whatever you are doing. Please treat this, because you need to treat it very seriously. Then you will have a chance to get some serious benefit, because we very easily mold it to many things like a gambling, and this is not a gambling. So all right, so let's have some questions. Water Skilled Gaming, please tell me about the NFP. How do people prior gets the knowledge about which candle be formed during the NFP? People set the trend of 5:49:30 p.m. And get the profit. Not sir, this does not happen actually. When you need to understand on the NFP or any condition, you need to always check the previous results. What is the condition of NFP in the previous situation? So you need to calculate it. Nobody is going to help you to understand what will be the result. However, always when the 1 minute is left, especially on the NFP, the market has become low. Well, if you go to the investing.com or any other website which is help you to check the previous data. So from in this year, January 5 to June 7, only only one time the NFP is going down. Only one time. So you need to compare the data first. Always. And the forecast is very important. Just like the forecast of the previous NFP is 272K, which is I'm talking about the NFP which is coming on next Friday. and the data which is coming last week, that is 272, and the forecast was 182. Now the pre 272k and forecast is 189k. So as per the prediction of this forecast, we believe that maybe the data is going up. So what you can do, and one more thing, whenever you wanted to open the trade by using any economic news, try to avoid trading in fixed time trading, because doesn't matter if you wanted to just hold that flow, just catch that flow, that is not too much easy. But it doesn't mean like if you miss that 1 minute, that means you are not able to get profitability. Please don't think so. Why I'm saying this, let me show you something. Forex, Euro, USD. This is the Euro USD chart, and I'm putting the graph time over here about 15 minutes. Okay, so as you can see over here, that is 17:45 as per Indian Standard Time. There was a data, and very important data, ADP non-farm unemployment change, and that is coming in minus. The previous was 157k, the forecast was 163k, and the actual coming is 150k. So as you can see, it's constantly growing. So 15 minute here, 15 minute here, 15 minute here, 15 minute here, and 15 minute here. How much the time is, sir? 30, 45, 60, 75. From 75 minutes it's constantly growing. Even now you can see it's going to be 90. From 90 minutes it's constantly growing. So don't worry, you can open the trade in Forex as well by choosing the graph time. This strategy is also working very fine in Forex. But what you need to do, if you wanted to open the trade in Forex, you need to put your graph time minimum 15 minutes to maximum 4 hours. It will not going to work in 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 1 minute or 10 minutes, especially if you are doing trade in Forex. So open the trade after the data, after the 5 minutes, once the market is become calm and settle, and you will get the profit in Forex. Do not worry, because nobody here is who's going to predict like, okay, what will be happen. Nobody. So these are the ways and key factors. Economic condition. If you wanted to earn money, you need to understand first of all the data. You can go to the investing.com. There is an economic calendar. Open the economic calendar and check the previous data, and just don't open the trade and click to the especially the 3-star news, because that 3-star events always providing you some kind of beneficial situation over there. Alright, so basically if you can work out with the news, and if you analyze the news according to the previous situations, okay, what happened on this situation, what happened on this situation, then slowly you will understand, okay, this is the way to open the trade, and that will be a fine way to open the trade on this data. But I strongly recommend you, if you wanted to open the trade by using the economic news, then better to open the trade in Forex. It will be better for you. All right, so thank you so much for your time, guys. It's a pleasure to talk with you, everyone. I hope you like my webinar. My name is Hemant Modi. We will meet on next time. But if you like the webinar and if you like the education session, this webinar, this video remains here in our channel, Olymp Trade. So you can check it, you can learn it. If you have any questions, any problem, any doubts, please post your comments, and we will meet on next week, same day, same time. Till that time, please take very care of yours. Have a nice day. Good night. Best of luck your trading. Namaskar. Jai Hind. Bye bye, sir.